Got 10 minutes and a craving for real comfort food? This garlic butter pasta is your new go-to. Here's what you need: spaghetti, fresh garlic, butter, Parmesan cheese, and a pinch of salt. That's it, no fancy groceries, no fuss. First up, boil your spaghetti in salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Quick tip, scoop out a little pasta water before you drain. It's liquid gold for your sauce. Now, melt butter in a pan over medium heat and saute your minced garlic until it turns golden and your kitchen smells incredible. Don't let it burn. Just a minute or two is all you need. Toss your drained pasta into the garlicky butter, add a splash of that reserved pasta water, and mix it all together. The water helps everything get silky and glossy. Next, sprinkle in that Parmesan cheese. Stir until it melts and wraps every strand in creamy, cheesy goodness. And that's it. Your 5-ingredient garlic butter pasta is ready. Plate it up, add a little parsley if you have it, and dig in. Perfect for busy days, late-night cravings, or impressing guests when you're short on time. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes that fit your schedule.